Right, today we're just going to make some tub lollies for the kids. For anyone who doesn't know what a tub lolly is, you get a job lot of plastic cups that you can get for 99p, can you, for about 500 depending on where you get them. And all you're going to do is get your cordials, not your low sugar ones, your proper Monty cordials you want. And you just fill your cups halfway full. You can do it by the measuring jug if you want, because it's half cordial and half water. So just do that, and then fill them up to the top. Well, not to the top, but as far as you can get them, round about there, and round about there. You can do this with the kids as well, and we've just got old lolly sticks that they've used, just put them in hot water, but you can buy lolly sticks as well if you want, put them in, and then just whop them in your freezer, and that's all. One we did earlier. These can take about maybe 6 or 7 hours to freeze. If you do them first thing in the morning, you'll have them ready for afternoon. And that's it, really. Just leave them like that. You better, if you haven't got a flat drawer like we have, you need to put them in a saucer or something so that they'll stay level. Something level. And when they come out, after about 7 hours later, that's what it's like. And you can just twist them and pull them, just warm them up slightly. I know what'll happen, it'll jump out, won't it?
It will.
But yeah, if you warm them up with your hands slightly, just twist it, can you see it turns? And then they can pull them out. And if I can, give me a second or two to get this out. If I'd have left it out about a minute, it would have come out.
It would.
Just drop it 1 minute and I'll get it out. That's what you get. And you've got your cup to store the juice in as well when it melts a bit. Okay?